Hello everyone, it's Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you what to do if you didn't get a stake reward in a while. So let's say it's basically stuck even though you have a decent amount of TokenPay and you should get your reward in like 3 or 4 days, but you still didn't get it for 1 to 2 weeks. Be aware though, I would recommend to first do the staking calculator. You get payouts in 1.94 TPAY. So first calculate how many days it should take, and based on that you can make the decision if you should have gotten them or if it's just stuck. So it doesn't happen a lot really that it is stuck, but just in case, I'm going to show you guys how to get it unstuck. So let's say normally you get 1 TokenPay every hour, every day, and you didn't get it for 1 to 2 weeks. That's the moment that I would say maybe try a reset. If you didn't get your payout would like multiplied by 3, so if it normally takes 4 days and now you didn't get one in 12 days, etc., that's when I would do the reset. I wouldn't do this too quick though, because it will reset overall most of it. So what you need to do, this is basically also the sync fix. We go to run, we type in percentage app data percentage, we hit OK, we scroll down to the T from TokenPay. So here we go, TokenPay, and then we need the wallet.dat file. So copy the wallet.dat file, close the folder, let's go, closing Windows, and copy the wallet.dat file. Always make sure you have a backup of your wallet.dat file somewhere else stored. So we're gonna type run again, percentage app data, TokenPay, and we're just gonna delete, oh wait, close the wallet first by the way, and then we're going to delete it. There we go, our wallet is now deleted. What you're gonna do is you're gonna reopen your TokenPay wallet now. So let's go, we're gonna reopen our TokenPay wallet, tokenpay.x. Gonna close this folder. So what it's basically doing is it's now creating the folder again with a new TokenPay wallet.dat. Pretty much everything in that folder again, it's all resets. So I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna type in run again. Okay. And here we are at the T from TokenPay. Now we're gonna replace the wallet.dat file with our real wallet.dat. So delete this one and place this one. What you could also try is delete everything except the wallet.dat file. I just like to delete the whole folder to get it completely done. But that's up to you. That's something you can decide yourself. You can also try so without deleting the wallet.dat file if you're more comfortable with it, and see what the results are. So now I pretty much did a reset. And I still have my TPAY, so no worries about that. Like you can see here, I still have my stake rewards, the one I generated the last time. All I really need to do is unlock it, let it sync, should take 10 to 20 minutes. Really depends on your internet as well. If you have Wi-Fi, it takes longer of course. And we should be good to stake again and get our rewards. Again, this helped for me when I didn't get staking rewards for a while. So like, I'm getting stake rewards pretty much every day now. If I don't get it for like a week or something, that's when I would do it. So if you get a stake reward every 4 days, like I said, multiply it by 3. So your normal time until stake rewards, if it's more than 2 to 3, that's when I would do the reset. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment. If you have any good suggestions, leave a comment as well. Would really appreciate that. Follow the official TokenPay Instagram for memes and gifs. Follow the Twitter to stay up to date. Follow our Discord community, join it. We have a Discord community with quite a lot of people. Updates as well in there. And of course join our Facebook community group and our Facebook. So we got 2 Facebook things. And join the Telegram. Have a great day. I'm out. Bye bye. Wish you guys the best.